Hey guys, so I'm coming to you guys with the update on this rice cooking stainless steel pot thingy. The jury is still out. I'm gonna tell you why. I have been a basmati jasmine rice girl for years, depending on what's on sale. And I noticed several years ago that Aldi's had a really good jasmine rice, and I've been rocking with that. So y'all know how to make rice. I think I did videos on how to cook nice fluffy rice a couple times on here. That's neither here nor there. Not in the rice cooker, just on the stove. So I'm excited about the fact that the stainless steel is less toxic, right? Toxic. I was gonna do an update when Naya made some sushi rice because she was making some type of wrap thing she seen on TikTok. So I was like, no, let me wait because I want to see how my rice turns out. Now, when I show you what I'm about to show you, this is a rice that I normally make. I put sage, thyme, rosemary, some bouillon, some pepper flakes, like some spices. It's like a spicy flavored rice, just something I concocted, and I like to make just as a flavored rice with my food. We had some hot honey wings in the oven, and then I made some teriyaki broccoli. Yeah, so long story short, I had to make a quick pack, and that's why I'm so glad. Remember, I got these from Big Lots. These here, I had to make a quick, basically, pack of these that just fill in the blank or whatever with them. So I had a little interruption. So anywho, yeah, that's because this rice didn't turn out right. I don't know. The jury is still out. I don't know what the issue is. Why does it look cloudy? I don't know what the issue is or what happened, but what I do know is that it was cooking so slow when I tasted. Some parts are cooked. It looked like brown rice. Well, that's because of the flavoring and stuff, but some parts are cooked and some parts are not. I'm like, what? And then when I dig deeper, let me show you. When I dig deeper, it just seems like it got mushy. Like, I don't know. And I put, just like you do, double the cups of water for the rice, like I normally do. And it's just, it didn't scorch it. That was actually red pepper flakes that you see right there. So it's not scorched or anything. It actually didn't stick at all. Like, it's still kind of coming up good. But I don't know, guys. I don't know. Have a stainless steel insert. Did you buy a cooker already with a stainless steel insert? I gotta do research on, because a lot of videos I've seen, there are cookers with stainless steel inserts already that you don't have to buy. And till I start really understanding how toxic Teflon and nonstick was, I didn't think like, oh, your rice cooker, duh, that too. So that's what made me change that up. But I'm going to try again with a smaller batch of rice and see. It seemed like my timer is just going faster. Like the white rice I'll put in, then it'll say it's done in like no time, when it usually doesn't cook that fast. So I don't know what's going on. I did share the link. This is not sponsored, but I do like to update things, so I'm just going to keep the jury out for jewelry jewelry out for a little bit longer, and I'll update you if I try something different or I find out what the issue is, because that rice, we're not eating that. Well, we already ate dinner anyways. That's why I gotta wash all these dishes. But that rice, oh yeah, and I decided I'm gonna go back to washing my dishes in a sink like this, because that'll be another video. So anyways, that's the rice cooker in stainless steel insert. Do with it as you may, but stay focused on the update so I can tell you if I figured out what it was. I'm gonna do some research on stainless steel cooking, or what setting. Do I have to use a different setting on there, or do I have to just like put the time in myself instead of cooking? Because it has like oatmeal, white rice, brown rice, quinoa, or however you say that. Quinoa, what's that? What the, you know what I'm talking about? That, and then it has slow cook, and then it has, that's it. And then they have where you go plus or minus the time. So we will see. That's the update, and I like to update you guys on stuff that I get, especially if I'm sharing it with you, because I'm sharing it with you because I like it and I'm excited about it, and I bought it with my money. It's not sponsored. So yeah, to make your life easier, less toxic, worry-free and less stressful. If you are new to the channel, join the family by hitting that subscribe button. And also, my music is off. That's why it's weird. I'm like, I forgot I turned the music off. Hitting the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And yes, I do comment back to my gators in the comments. So if you have any questions, leave them below and I will get back to you, and I will see you guys later, gators.